Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to turn on your airplane mode. It's been very good mode when you fly or you don't want to connect from everyone. So go to the settings here, connection and sharing, and there is airplane mode here. When you tap it, you lost your connection by your network, and this is it at the plane mode. This is the main thing. The second way to enable it is icon on the slide upper bar. There is airplane mode. Of course, you can tap it to disable it and connect to your carrier. If you press and hold it, nothing happened. You can just enable it or disable it, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!